2005 Lexus GX 470, four-wheel drive, 97,000 miles. Timing belt replaced at 79,000 miles. Carfax certified, no accidents, all original. Vehicle's like new. Brand new tires, running boards. Vehicle is flawless. Tow package. Fog lamps, moonroof, everything works on the vehicle. Leather seats, power seats, of course power windows and locks. Telescoping steering wheel, works up and down, in and out. Four by four, adjustable air ride suspension works, heated seats, 97,000 miles, sorry about that, 97,000 miles. Carfax report. Original floor mats, owner's manual, window sticker. We have it all. Second row leather seats. As I stated, in immaculate condition. There's the third row seats. They fold up and they come down for your storage. First aid kit, rear spoiler, (2005) Lexus GX 470, 97,000 miles, all original. Timing belt, water pump have been replaced. We have all the records. Flawless condition.